And we didn't expect that our chief minister will be so ill-informed about what is going on in
Ka district council kala shimrai sendon ban pyntreikam ya kalan ag. Namar ki traditional head kim shemla wan shakhamat banyakren bar ka district council ban ya ka jingmut ka jongki. Haka jingkren jong umenti rang ba ka jela haka singsdang ka darbar ulaong ba ka district council kam chu ngap ya ka jingkren jong ki ba. Hadin nang ta nakaliang presiden kaseng kabayalam khamat ya ka VPP haka district council ula pensai leng ba ka social media hadin balawai ka darbar da ka bawang sngeu la ban ptiang ya ka jingong jong chief minister ba kinong yalam kesi kim ju ngap ya ki ba ne kim ju le ya ka ba ki ba ki kren shushu upresiden wang ka district council ka don ka benta ka ba kongsan ban penyai ya ka khandau bat ki jaka ki badai jong ki ba ne jong ki community karkum ka jingkren jong u ha ka district council ladon ka jingde ya ki jaka jong ki community ha ki benta ki ba he namar kata ka district council ka kuwa pan pelong bat pyntreikam ya kalan ak khnang ban la ban bo ya upuru ang ha ka jing ya de ya the jaka hendrei kadon ka close ka baong balada ka district council ka kwa pan bo ya poru ang ya ka jingde ya jingthe jaka ka de ban le ya kata ka jingkren bat ka jing sing tholang shushu upresiden wang ki traditional head kim shemla wan shakhamat ban yakren ba ka district council khnang ban pen bet lang ya poru ang jong ka jingde jingthe jaka kumta kat kum ka jing pensha jong u ka district council kam shemla suap khlem da pen be ya poru ang namar kata kadaw kala shimrai ya ka ban veng no ya kata ka close ka baong ba kala ban pelong ya ka jeng pyntreikam ya kalan ak da ka ba
and we didn't expect that our chief minister will be so ill-informed about what is going on in the KHADC when he's trying to put a blame on us that we never practice what we preach. We take away the power of these traditional bodies. That was not true. You see, this land act of the district council is to manage the land, that belongs to the people, the community. And as we are aware of the fact that there has been, selling in a large tract of these community lands across the district. So the district council wants to, get this land act effective. However, it was prevented to get it effective because there's a clause which says that when the district council wants to fix a limit on land selling, it has to be done, in consultation with these traditional bodies. What happened? These traditional heads of body, they never came forward, to discuss with the district council in order to fix the limit of land selling. So the district council cannot wait for them to come to decide. So the district council decide to just delete.